Five things all guys should know before they start working out. When you start a fitness journey, it's natural to feel intimidated and overwhelmed. You have to learn workouts, follow diets, conjure willpower, and overcome your self-consciousness. Everyone starts somewhere after all. You probably know the basics like needing to warm up properly and avoiding exercises when you're under the weather. But what about others like expectations, which will be covered more next? In this video, we will be going over 5 things you must keep in mind before you start working out. Number 1. Manage your views and expectations. Are you worried about getting too bulky? Or maybe you think you're quickly going to have the body and abilities of a professional athlete. You should correct your views as early as now, or you'd be seriously disappointed with your results. It took so much for professionals to develop that kind of physique. You may train the same way, but surely your time, commitment, and intensity are far less than those of a pro. There are so many more things that go into developing enormous amounts of muscles than just working out. Moreover, it takes years to truly have the kind of body that gym newbies are trying to either avoid or achieve. Number 2. Do workouts that make you uncomfortable. Going to the gym so you can take selfies and post on social media is different from training to truly reach a goal. Many people go to the gym, and while they're present physically, their minds aren't there. They rarely break a sweat, nor do they add weight to the bar to see any real progress. If working out is easy, then everyone would be doing it now. You have to exert far more effort than just showing up. Be comfortable with the discomfort. That's the secret to success. Number 3. Minimize the risk of injury, but don't stay away from intense workouts either. Pushing your body harder increases the likelihood of something going wrong. Your goal should be to train smartly and try to cut back the risk of injury. If you intend to train like an athlete, then injuries are normal. Stiffness, soreness, pinches, tweaks, you name it, they all happen. These shouldn't scare you off. Don't worry, you aren't alone. Anyone training hard is surely in the same boat. Besides, it's a rare occurrence to feel completely refreshed when you train. Number 4. Do your homework. Not everyone has the luxury to go to the gym every day, but time is a factor here. When you train intensely, you need to do your part, and that is to do your homework. This means many things like stretching, prepping your meals, getting a massage, watching videos, or researching certain techniques. The takeaway here is to complete your homework, but make sure to spend more time training and less on mobilizing and learning. Number 5. Eat the right foods. Training is already a gigantic step in the right direction. That said, your diet plays a crucial role in the whole process. To maximize your results, diet, not to mention recovery methods, has to be in check. Sure, you may see evident results with exercise alone, but that will only carry you so far. Do you have questions about this video? What do you want us to do next? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section.
If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more interesting facts on the human body, subscribe to the channel.